What's up, guys? Here, Crypto Nation. What up, ladies and gents? We're back, and you know what we do here? We're honest about the markets, the crypto markets. You know, we don't sell you crap, and whether we're bullish or bearish, we'll tell you how it is. So last video was about Chainlink, and I got a lot of controversy after I posted the video because those Chainlink bulls and those the Link Marines were after me for sure. Because I was quite bearish on Chainlink. And to be clear, I'm not bearish on the technology. I don't know if the technology is going to work or not. They have a good team, but as far as an investment currently, I am quite bearish. Doesn't mean I'm not bullish on oracles or whatnot. There's a bad time to buy great companies. Just in the investment stock world, there's bad times to buy Apple, right? There's bad times to buy some of these great companies. So just as an investment, it's not even close to being a good time to get in these, in my opinion. So I want to clear that up here. Let's go to the markets here, which in the last 15 minutes just says I was about to record. I don't know if that's on purpose. The markets know I'm recording. They want to give us some action here. But we're having some movements here. So since our last video was right around here, I think in this era, and it has pumped up to the ninth, to about 10.9, and it's been in there. Remember, we're talking about the magnet at the 500 levels, which is right below here. It was magnet 250 ups to 750. Look, remember, like this was the highs, the 750 of the magnet. It was going down right back down to 500, and we popped out of the magnet. So we're out of the magnet. Okay, the magnet is donezo. Even though we're back in, look at that, we're back in the 750, right, which is where the top range of the magnet is. So it's trying to, it's finding out where it is, but it went right back to the top of the range of the magnet, which is normal, which is very normal. But that magnet went up to the top range was 750. So as we're looking here, let's look at the hourly. It's kind of scary in the hourly, of course. We had a big dip, which we haven't had much action at all in really since many hours ago, at least 24 hours ago. We had a big rise, and we're right back. Look at this. We were before the big rise 24 hours ago. We're at 750, 743. We're at 747. So boom. You know what this could be, guys? This could be the same. This buyer right here that pumped us up could be selling right here the exact amount of shares. That's a very big possibility. These whales can make movements. If you guys look, all of these are whale movements. That's just how the crypto game is right now in Bitcoin. It's a small market cap relatively. It's only 200 billion market cap right now. Which in relativity, you could have some bulls, have some whales that make some action like this. Because really, not much news. These aren't very news. These aren't related to news, right? Where the stock market, company, or the economy, and some new numbers come out, the stock market goes up or down relative. But the crypto is really most of these actions are from whales, buying or selling. They can move the market. Can move the market. 750, man. We're staying on there. 750. Let's check some of the alts. Let's check Chainlink, which is one of the ones that actually boosted right after I made that video. I think it was on purpose. But let's check where we are here at 1037. So it popped back over 10. Like I said, we're still in the bear movement here. Looking long term, because as investors, we got to take a long term approach here. So let's look 90 days here. Okay, here's 90 days. So we hit 20. You all remember that, mid-August for Chainlink. We're still on this downward trend. Although we're taking a pause a little bit, this has happened many times, like I mentioned in the video. Let's go to the markets here overall. CoinGecko, okay. We're seeing some red short term. But longer term, the last 7 days, we're quite mixed here. Cardano is having a big 7 big week here, where it's back over 10 cents. But overall, in this past hour, we're getting some red here. Binance Coin, one I'm very interested in here, is doing very well. It's got that 4 billion market cap right now. And of course, Polkadot, which dropped under 4 recently, has popped slightly back up, but still under those 5. and Ethereum really kind of doing what Ethereum does, which is a more volatile Bitcoin, right? We're at which is usually 1.5x of Bitcoin, right? So to 2x. So Bitcoin is down 1.6, they're down 3, double that, right? In an hour, it's about the same thing. That's what Ethereum does. Let's see any other. Let's look at the top gainers here. Top gainers. We got really nothing too noticeable. Look at this. There's almost nothing in the past hour, of course. But let's look at 24 hours last day here. Biggest losers, Uniswap. Okay, that's a significant one. It's going back down to the 4 levels. Obviously, this has been one of the biggest ones in the news, and it's had a good run. People thought it was going to drop, and it didn't, because it's actually a pretty sweet coin. You're really buying participation in the network. Look at this, we got almost a 5, but it's really doing some bearish action here. That's only the past 24 hours though. So if you look at 7 days, we are, I don't even know how. If can we go to 14 days? This is probably what it started at $3, I think. Yeah, bumped up to wow, 7.20. I didn't know it hit that high. I almost hit $8. Now it's down 50% from there almost. But it's a new way of doing things. You're kind of participating. It's kind of like you're buying stock in Uniswap, similar to the BNB coin. Which of course you could use the BNB. This is Uniswap, if you don't know, is a decentralized exchange. BNB, Binance coin, is a coin related to the Binance platform and their decentralized exchange. So both quite similar things, but as you look here, the circulating supply, you're only about not even 15% into the supply. So there's going to be some more supply hitting the markets, which of course means some inflation, which can reduce this number here. But we're going to see how that works out. So yeah, let's check Bitcoin is slowing down here. It's really the 750 mark. We're getting some movements. This is interesting. We got down to low here in the hour about at 21. Let's check out how the stock market did well today, and that's something interesting. If you look at the last 12 hours, let's look at the last 24 hours here. Stock market did well, and look at Bitcoin did nothing. So that's an interesting thing. Usually there's a correlation there, but today it didn't happen. And let's look at what right here. Let's see what happened with stock market futures. The stock market futures were up, but now they might be down. Let's see. Okay, this is what happened today. Now let's go to pre-market. See, the futures are up. Surprisingly, they're up, and Bitcoin just went down. Again, this is probably just one whale move in the market. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for coming. I'm wearing my Bills glasses because they're the best team in the NFL, as you probably know. Anyways, stay classy and stay straight as regards to the crypto, and tell them the truth. That's it, guys. Boys and girls, we'll see you tomorrow.